Hi, this is Jason Aldrich with the National Border Patrol Council. I'm going to talk to you about the very first article in our collective bargaining agreement, the recognition article. Uh, the service recognizes the American Federation of Government Employees, National Border Patrol Council, as the bargaining agent for all Border Patrol personnel of the Immigration and Naturalization Service assigned to Border Patrol sectors, except professionals and those excluded by coverage by the Civil Service Reform Act. Now, what you probably noticed is that it did say Immigration and Naturalization Service. The Federal Relations Authority case law was clear that this collective bargaining agreement still applies to the Department of Homeland Security, U.S. Customs and Border Protection, and the U.S. Border Patrol. So all of these provisions remained in full force and effect after the INS was dissolved. Now, the importance of this provision is that management must come to the National Border Patrol Council regarding bargaining obligations regarding our terms and conditions of employment. They can't, where this problem comes up is that we'll see local management officials that will want to poll certain employees about things, and they'll maybe get a group of employees together, maybe as a focus group, and ask them about certain things. That's what the union calls a bypass. They're bypassing the National Border Patrol Council as the exclusive rep recognized under law to be the voice of the bargaining unit employees. So to put together a group of employees and ask them about things that affect the bargaining unit as a whole, that is a violation of our collective bargaining agreement as well as a violation of law. The National Border Patrol Council's status as the exclusive representative is very important and something that we protect all the time. What that exclusive representative status allows us to do is enforce the contract through our grievance procedure and our arbitration procedures. Outside parties, if you have coverage with other legal defense entities or if you retain a private attorney, they do not have the collective bargaining rights that the National Border Patrol Council has. The National Border Patrol Council is the only entity that has the right and the authority to determine if your matter should be invoked to arbitration. We're the only ones who can bargain terms and conditions of employment, and we are the exclusive representative of the employees if employees want to challenge their terms and conditions of employment. They can't bring in outside counsel, outside insurance providers. That is what the law requires us to do for you as your exclusive representative. So as I've said in other videos, whenever you become aware of anything on the job that's bothering you, it's important to bring it to the National Border Patrol Council because we are your exclusive rep. It's up to us, it's our responsibility to bring those complaints to management after we investigate them and verify them that there is something wrong here, and management needs to become aware of this so we can try and fix that problem. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. We want you to be the most informed and educated bargaining unit employee that you can be. If you have any questions about the material presented here or any questions at all about your terms and conditions of employment, please go to bpunion.org. You'll find the links there on how to contact your national reps. You can also contact your local reps either through their website or through your station's union steward roster. Thanks for watching.